what's really interesting, I think, is as we have a lot of these conversations with companies, it gets into what collaborative model makes the most sense for the organization to help to mitigate that risk. And so, in my view, both security and privacy are stakeholders as part of that conversation. But there's quite a few others that need to be at the table as well. So, legal, for example, in terms of interpretation of some of these regulations, horizon scanning, working through contracting issues, things like that. The chief data officer. So interestingly, a lot of the conversations I'm having, even with chief privacy officers now, point back to the idea that this is not a privacy problem. This is a data problem, a data governance problem. And if we get data governance right, then privacy, I don't want to say it solves itself, but it's a whole lot easier to solve. There's other stakeholders that are part of that too. So you think about employee data with HR, the marketing organization, right? The chief marketing officer as a do everything they can to try to increase customer engagement and deepen those relationships with customers. They need to make sure they're doing that in a way that is bounded by good guardrails that are security and privacy oriented as well. So it really is a collaborative effort. It's really a matter of understanding for those different stakeholder personas what the priorities are, and being able to normalize those into kind of a single organizational goal.